Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Shane Hinton, tracking a mild evening ahead. Temperatures in the lower 80s if you are going to be dining out around the 7 to 8 o'clock hours, but then we drop into the upper 70s slowly as we head into the early nighttime hours. While there's a 10% chance for an early evening pop-up shower, nothing severe is expected and it would be very brief. Most, if not all of us, will stay dry, and that'll continue to be the trend by tomorrow morning. We'll wake up to temperatures in the mid-70s throughout Broward and Miami-Dade counties, so 75 in Pembroke Pines and also in Pompano Beach, 72 possibly in Kendall, though. That would be a fairly nice start to the day, though. If you are waking up in the Keys, it will most likely be another muggy start for you with temperatures on the thermometer in the upper 70s. Now let's flash forward to tomorrow afternoon. Very spring-like, maybe even early summer-like for some of us, especially for my friends near Southwest Ranches and Weston. I mean, around 90 degrees there. 88 in Plantation and 88 in Lauderhill. Fort Lauderdale, a few degrees lower than that at around 85. I think we could make it to around 87 in Miami, Kendall, and Country Walk for tomorrow with our cooler conditions slightly out there in Key Biscayne. Getting that breeze off the water will keep it in the lower 80s with similar conditions in Islamorada, and 84 in Key West and Marathon tomorrow. Now our high temperatures won't be changing that much over the next several days. In fact, I think we will hover throughout the mid to upper 80s each and every afternoon. You see a slight dip as we head toward the beginning of next week, and that is going to be because our rain chances will be trending higher. Although even though rain chances in the forecast, I do still think it is going to be a fairly warm afternoon stretch for us here. If you are going to the beach tomorrow, rip current risk is going to be low. Those water temperatures in the lower 70s. Please, please, please do not forget that UV index is going to be an extreme. So grab that sunscreen and don't forget to reapply. Let's take a look at the Next Weather rain tracker and talk about our next best rain chances. We are going to be monitoring this area of low pressure just kind of bopping around in the Gulf as we close out the work week and head into the weekend. Now, because this area is going to be staying further out toward our west, our rain chances on Mother's Day on Sunday are going to be isolated to around a 20% chance. However, Monday through the first half of next week, you see this area pushes up to the northeast, and that will push more moisture into our neck of the woods, which is going to elevate our rain chances. So a 10 to 20% chance for the rest of the work week and into the weekend, 40 to 60% rain chances for Monday into Tuesday. Now, it's still pretty far out, but there is the possibility of some stronger storms mixed in with those rain chances on Tuesday. We will naturally continue to fine-tune the forecast and provide updates on air and online as we get closer to that date.